Welcome back my dear students. Today we are going to start with new topic, that is English textbook 2.2, nature created man and woman as equal. Okay, here we are going to see the salt warming up and English workshop. Let us begin with the topic. By seeing the picture itself, you can imagine that here in today's generation man and woman are working in the same stage, same status. Okay, let's begin the warming up. Okay, see, in the first picture you can see only the boy is going to school. In the second picture you can see boy and girl both are going to school. In the third picture, if you will see, a woman is holding the pot and holding the son in his hand. But in the fourth picture, you can see the same lady, she is teaching as a teacher. Okay. So here, by seeing the differences, we have formed the answers. That is, study the picture below and note down the differences. In the first panel, a boy is going to school while a girl of the same age is doing household chores. In the next panel, both the boy and girl are going to school. Next one, in the first panel, a woman is trudging along, balancing pots of water on her head and a baby on her hip. In the next panel, a woman teaching children at school. Next is, now write what you observe in the two pictures. Okay, see here they have given the two picture. In the first picture we can see the family, the whole family, they are working together. Okay, and in the second picture you can see the lady or the woman, she is holding the meeting. Okay, so let us discuss according to the points. In the first panel, a boy and a man are shown sharing the household chores, leaving the woman to do other work. In the next panel, men and women are working in an office together at an equal level. Okay? Which picture reflects gender equality? Write their numbers. See, the right hand side of A and both the pictures of B reflects gender equality. Write down any two slogans on gender equality. Let's have peace and unity. Second one is man and woman all are same. Stop playing with them. Discrimination. Stop doing discrimination. Okay. Next is margin question and answer. That is, make a list of a beautiful natural surrounding of our house. A small stream of clear crystal water. This is all textual based answer. Okay, which is all been given in the textbook. A strength of 100 of acres of fertile land with yellow mustard flowers, a garden in front of the house, many kind of trees bearing flowers of different colors and fruit, fragrant jasmine plant. What help did Lintoy need from her mother? She wanted to discuss on her topic. Okay, what did Lintoy's father work as? As a lawyer and social worker. In what way did Tomba contribute toward Ashangbi's success? In activity, he was proud of his wife. He used to help his wife and different household chores he used to help. He doesn't discriminate about the works. Okay, let us discuss with the next point, that is, how did the mother explained Lintoy's topic for her speech at school. She explained that God has sent men and women to the earth to enjoy both the joys and sorrows of life equally, His blessings and enjoy bounty of nature equally. How is the role of mother honored and praised? The mother is said to be the fountain of love in the family. Bond of love cannot be compared to anything else in the world. Motherhood has been glorified. Okay. What are the achievements of modern women? Here, the modern woman has become the mountaineers, naturalists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and political leaders. You know, many great women, they have achieved many things. Okay, if we go on discussing, there would be lot women's activity we can see of. So they have achieved, women have achieved great achievement. That is the modern woman. Okay. Next is, what social justice does the aegis of the United Nations guarantee? Okay, there is a declaration for new world of equality. It has following dimensions. Okay, dimensions are the point: equal access to basic social service, equal participation in political and economic decision, elimination of discrimination and violence against women. What vision meets her eye when Lentoy rushes outdoor? Lentoy happily rushes out of the room in bright morning sun. The blue sky meets the range of eastern mountain. The small girl is always fascinated by the small trails which winds up the distant purple mountain. What does that vision symbolizes? It the vision which Lentoy sees when she rushes outdoors symbolizes a positive and bright future for Lentoy and for women of the country. Okay. Here, find from the lesson words, phrases that means the following. Colors, use. A person who writes for newspaper, journalist. Make a difference between, discriminate. Cry over, lament. Explain in detail, throw light on. Abilities and qualities, potential. Same availability, equal access. A person who brings about social political changes, activist. Find 5 compound words, that is crystal clear, courtyard, reading room, middle aged, household. Okay. Here is read and write down 5 points which prove that Tomba firmly believes in gender equality. Okay, here we can see that Tomba is supportive of Ashangbi's activity as a women rights activist. He advocates the cause of women. He doesn't discriminate. He shares equally with Ashangba in doing the household chores like cooking and washing. He tells Lentoy that the world is still full of inequality, and they have to find a way to bring equality between men and women. Okay. Next is, in what way is Ashangbi different from other women of her community? Okay, Ashangbi is different from other community, that is she is journalist and women rights activist. What are the provision declaration of United Nations to ensure equality of men and women? That is equal access to basic social service including health and education, equal participation in political and economic decision making, equal reward for equal work, elimination of discrimination and violence against women. Next is who said to whom and when and why. That is the world is full of inequality said by Tomba to Lentoy when he is discussing gender equality with her daughter. I want to do something interesting. Lentoy to Ashangbi when she wants to discuss something with her mother. It is against the will of God. Ashangbi to Lentoy when she is talking about the subjugation of women. Our home is full of love. Lentoy to Ashangbi when she is discussing gender equality with her mother. We can affirm along with United Nations that men and women are equal. Ashangbi to Lentoy when Lentoy asked her about the topic, enable women to express their potential and set themselves free from the suppression. Next is we are discussing about the grammar topic, that is the kinds of noun. They have been given the personal pronoun, okay, and interrogative pronoun, the main topic. Okay, so here the personal pronoun is, personal pronoun are the words that is used in the place of noun. Demonstrative pronoun are the words those point to the same noun. Relative pronouns are some words that not only replace noun but also connect two sentences. And interrogative pronouns are the word that used to ask question. According to this, we have set the example. In the personal pronoun, we can get these all words, that is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. In demonstrative, we see this is the kingfisher, those are the boys. Relative, we can see biology is a science which studies living organism. Arvind is a teacher who teaches English. An interrogative pronoun, we can see what is your name, who is your class teacher. Next is underline the pronoun in the following sentence and name their type. What do you want to do? Obviously interrogative pronoun, and you is personal pronoun. It is because of your father that I feel no inequality. I is personal pronoun, your personal pronoun, that relative pronoun. This is what your topic means. This is demonstrative pronoun, your is personal pronoun. She is fascinated by the small trails which winds up the mountain. She is personal pronoun, which is relative pronoun. Okay. Now next we can see is, read the following lines. Imagine it is the beginning of your instance you have experienced. Complete the incidents using your imagination. Give it a positive ending. I had often noticed that in my neighbor's family the son was greatly pampered, okay, but the daughter was treated unfairly. I could not bear this. So one day I decided to, here the before lines we have to put Continue the write-ups with your own idea in about 12 to 15 lines. Here we have given, that is, I disliked it personally. Okay. Every day I used to see this inequality. So one day I cannot control and I went there and I made the head as the grandmother because she too is a female. Okay. She is better in all aspect from her grandson. And I made them the result that girls have outshined boys in all the spheres of life. So the grandmother was impressed by such words. Okay, hope you all like my video, and if you found my video informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you children for watching my videos.